I'm Mama Fontana. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to do banana pudding, one of my family's favorites. So to start out, we're going to start with banana pudding. You can buy banana pudding in a lot of different brands. I have found that off brands are honestly as good as anything else, and they are going to save you money. And that's one of the reasons that I do this. So I want to show you how to do things inexpensively and easy, of course. And so, a lot of people, my mom, when she made this, she actually used to cook the pudding on the stove, give it cornstarch, make it thick, all those fun things. But nowadays, we have it kind of easy. So we're going to do it the Natalie way and make it easy. So I just put in 2 packages of instant pudding mix. You need instant because if you don't, you have to cook it. So for each package, it calls for 2 cups of milk. So I just happen to have a 2-cup measure right here. So we're going to put a total of 4 cups in here. So there's 1, actually 2, and then the other 2. And how nice is that? That bottle holds exactly 4 cups. Awesome. So we're going to start there. Use a little whisk and get her whisked it up. Start out slow or you're going to have a slop on your hands. This is one of those things that just is kind of a comfort food, and a lot of people like it. I don't know about you, but once in a while at night, anytime during the day really, you can get a sweet tooth. And pudding is kind of one of those things that is quite delicious to have. And so it comes in lots of different flavors. You could kick this up and do a lot of different things with it, not using bananas or banana pudding, and do it however you want. So you use vanilla wafers, not necessarily the brand name. I have an off-brand or store brand of mine that I like. It's a Kroger brand. And so I'm using my trifle bowl here. And we're going to start with the bottom of them. And you just want to put them down there flat so it looks kind of cool. When this is all said and done, it'll be layered and it will look really cute. Not to mention tasting really darn good. So using your vanilla wafers, you want to put down a bottom layer. And if you can get them to sit on the sides, that's awesome. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. And when you're pouring in the pudding, you could be having a little issue, so you better pour a little bit slower. So we're almost there, 1 more, and I think we'll have our first layer ready to go. So with this, we're going to put a little bit of the pudding in. Remember what I said, pour a little bit slow. I can see those cookies moving already. And then you're going to want some real bananas to put in there. Make sure you don't make this days ahead because you know what happens with bananas. You need to use these. Do you guys hate these things? I hate these things. You need to use them so that they don't turn black on you. So just cut them up. They're going to fall on that pudding. It's going to be delicious and really an easy, quick dessert. I don't know about you, but when I was being raised, we always had to have dessert, especially on Sundays, but sometimes in between. But Sunday dinners, my mom always made some kind of dessert. So this is a quick and easy thing for you to make for your family. And they will love you for it, I'm here to tell you. So that's 2 bananas that we put in there. And now we're going to put another layer of the cookies on top of that. You can put whipped cream in between each one, but I kind of feel like the whipped cream sometimes doesn't stay very well and it kind of smushes down and can sometimes get a little bit runny. So it's up to you how fast you're going to eat it, how fast you're going to serve it, of whether you put whipped cream in between them. So we're almost here. We're going to finish up that layer. Then we're going to try to bring up another layer. Maybe not. We'll put in some more pudding and then we'll work on that next layer. So here comes some more. Look at that, pudding has really thickened up in the last couple of minutes. So there's a little bit more. You see the consistency? It really did thicken up there. And then of course we're going to do some more bananas. This is repetition, but it's quick repetition. It doesn't take much time to do. So as you're watching this, these are going to be dropped every Tuesday. I'm going to be doing some new videos. So if you see something I'm doing and you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and if there's something that you do differently, put a comment in there because I'd like to know. I'm always up for new ideas. If there's something you'd like to see me make, that'd be awesome too, because I'll try to do whatever it is that you see or would like to see. And I can cook kind of anything. And we're going to do it so that this is easy for everyone. Almost there, guys. 2 bananas again on that side. So the last of the pudding is going to go in on this layer, and then we can start adding the rest of some more cookies. If you don't use the whole box, I'm telling you, these cookies are kind of delicious just to snack on. And I'm throwing pudding everywhere. Awesome. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put a few more cookies around the edge because cookies are, of course, delicious. And then, we've already used 4 bananas. This is looking pretty delicious, pretty cute. And we're going to put some whipped cream on it. Pretty simple, easy way to make this. I hope you guys are enjoying this and seeing how easy it is to make stuff like this. Your family will love you for it, especially if it's not something that you're used to doing or something different. I don't know about you, but I get tired of doing the same things all the time. And as a mom and a grandmother, sometimes you just want to have new ideas of things to make. So it's nice to have an idea of something you could do. So just some whipped topping, put it on top. This is going to be so delicious. Top it. Look at that. Tell me that isn't gorgeous. Take a look at this. If I tilt it too much, it's going to start running. So you could put some bananas on top if you wanted to. Sometimes I take some cookies and you can even smash them up and just make crumbles, which actually looks kind of cute on it too. So that's it for banana pudding. This is one of those things that everybody loves to have, loves to taste. And I'm going to take a little taste of it because I can't hardly stand it anymore. So good. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you watch them. We're going to have a lot of really fun stuff coming up. We've got all of fall to take care of. Then we're going to be into Halloween. We're going to have some pretty fun, spooky, scary stuff for you to watch. So thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me some comments so I know what it is that you're liking, disliking, whatever it is. And as always, I share my love of cooking with my family. Now I'm sharing it with you. Thank you.